Alright, hello again learners. Today's going to be a lesson. It's going to be a follow-up to our video on copying and pasting values. We're going to talk about copying and pasting a graph. And so you can see here, you can remember our example using the Math Bootcamp. And so same thing, we're just going to pick what we want to copy and paste. First thing that we need to do is select it. And so we left click and then we right click and we just go to copy. Just notice one thing though before I go and copy it. You can see that areas of the Excel document, or the Excel workbook, are still selected. And so that means it's linked to those values. That'll be important when I explain another concept. So I started creating a report for us. And so it says the 2014 offering of the Math Bootcamp enrolled 20 students, and the results of the pre and post test are visualized below. And then of course you would want to write it up with your T critical, your degrees of freedom, and your p-value. But for this purpose, we're just going to copy and paste. And so now, if you pick the first one, use the destination theme, you can see the destination theme is a different color than the graph in the Excel document. So you can either stick with the theme, that's maybe consistent, maybe if this was a 30-page document, that would be consistent, or you can keep it as the yellow color we had. And you would do that just by clicking this one and using the source formatting. Now the next option, this allows you to link the data. And so you're using the destination thing and linking the data. And what that means is if you change your data in the Excel workbook, it will change in the Word document, which is very cool. But you might not want this option. But I mean, you may want it. And if you want to link data and have the source formatting from the Excel workbook, you would choose this option. The final option is just to paste as a picture, but one word of caution, you will only have this picture quality. Whereas if you blow it up, it might become pixelated. And so pasting as a picture has its limitations, but if it's for a final report and you do not want someone to manipulate it, pasting as a picture is a great idea. So just to review, all you need to do is go to your original source, click copy, click paste, and select the right type of paste that's good for you. Watch this video again if any of that's unclear. You'll be doing this for an assignment and also too for your activity. When you manipulate your data and you analyze it, you create your graph, then you export it for your partners, your report to your partner. So this will be a very important thing, and I hope that you get this down.